like, I think I can.
This requires a system.
This guy's not to be messed with. Not to be messed with.
Welcome to Texas Beer Adventures. I'm B1, your host, and today we're over here at the GOTL Land Fest. And I'm gonna be making something. I think it's gonna be a knife. They got a blacksmith, big old power hammer. Look at this sucker. So let's see about strapping on the old GoPro and building something. I'm thinking a knife. So here we go. That?
Yeah.
Right. I go like this or like that?
Right now, just find a flat spot. Rotate it 90 degrees.
Stick it back in the forge or what?
Yeah, stay back in.
Hey-o. Hey.
Put it in an angle. Put your hammer in an angle right at the edge. Just kind of hit it off. Start turning, do that. You can flip it back and forth.
Okay. Okay.
Just getting the tip. And it doesn't have to be perfect, so you can fix it on a grinder.
Right. Pardon. I need another hand.
Now that's not a hammer.
Oh, that's not a hammer.
No, it's a flatter.
Oh.
You actually strike that one with another hammer.
Okay, so one of these?
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you.
And yes, we always need another hammer. I wish we had two growing out right here.
You got a soapstone here?
Hey, right there. Yep, there's one there.
Thank you.
These sticks, yeah. Get hold of this, get it diagonal from the corner, go into there. Yeah, they're
What do you think my next move is on this?
shit, I didn't know what the last four moves you did were. Do you want to straighten that tip out? Or do you want to point?
No, I think I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'll just bevel. I'll just grind the curve into it, like for a skinner.
Yeah, that works.
Maybe just a little bit more. Watch out behind you. No, the big tractor. All right. Let's see. finished my skinning knife. Sorry, I didn't realize it was gonna be so noisy over here with that welder. But got it done. It's the first one I've ever forged from just a raw piece of steel. A lot of fun. Fortunately, I think I got the bug. I'm gonna need to buy some equipment now, teach the boys how to do it. But and it's a great event. If next year y'all got time to come over here, I don't know what weekend it's gonna be, but I think it's gonna be around the same time of year because it was last year, same time of year. It's up in Belton, Texas at the Farm and Tractor Museum or something. I'll put the link down below. But anyway, great event. Had a lot of fun. I wish my kids and my wife were here, but they had stuff to do, their baseball stuff to do at the house. So anyway, or not at the house, but you know, at the in my hometown. Do me a favor, if you liked what you saw, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and the kiddies do all kinds of crazy stuff over there. And I'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies.
Number 2?
Yes.
No.
No. I want everybody on it. Everybody.
Go, three. Feet first.
Now, try to run. You dang Land Rover.
How many vices do you have?
Half a dozen probably.
Good shit.
Oh,
Way to go, Fred.
Fourth beer.
Patrick.
ain't sitting too good.
Wow! Chicken! My chicken got loose. Hey, have you seen my chicken? 10% really got me going.
That DNR. All right, cook those. Cook those two.
What does that mean?
Salt, pepper, garlic.
Nobody knows what it means, but it's provocative and it gets the people going. Oh, pretty bird, pretty bird. I'm gonna eat you with jalapeno in the middle and wrapped with bacon. Oh, pretty bird.